Hi, Pennway. My name is Michaela. I spoke to somebody in your office this morning who said that I could send this video over to you. I am just calling local businesses in your area and just doing free web audits, kind of showing you how to get more leads from your website, as well as kind of go over your overall online presence on the internet today. This is all free information. I do just ask that if you don't mind sending me a quick email after you watch this video, letting me know your thoughts on it, I would greatly appreciate it. So to start, I do have a background in digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three separate aspects when ranking people along that Google platform. The first and foremost, that's going to probably be the biggest indicator for organic growth, is going to be content. Why is content so important to Google? Well, let's look at an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as the #1 search option. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So with that said, every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and finds content-rich sites and naturally just moves them up closer to the top. So looking at your site and doing competitor research as well for other cleaning companies in the area who are ranking on page 1, I would recommend that you have about 1,500 words on your home page alone. And that's going to get you seen by Google from the get-go, but also add a lot more content to your site. With that said, we always recommend that on every additional service page that you offer to have about 750 words of context as well. Now this is important when it comes to ranking for keywords, because for every keyword you want to rank for, you need anywhere between 500 and 700 words of content surrounding that. So Google loves content, and it's almost necessary to rank for certain keywords. So I'm going to take you here to Ahrefs, and this is just going to take me to a brief breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as you can see, you're only getting about 5 people coming to your website per month. And your reason is probably because you're only ranking for 19 keywords. When I look at this shows me every keyword that you're currently ranking for. And even Pennway, the name of your business, you're currently only at position 18. So you're already at the bottom of page 2. Most people, when they do a Google search, do not go beyond page 1. In this day and age, being on page 1 has the most advantage because people don't like to dig and search on top of their search results. They want to know who's the best at what they do. Those are going to be the ones at the top, and those are typically the ones that get the business. So getting you ranking for good quality keywords, getting that in the text, and then getting these ranks pushed up onto page 1 is what's going to get you found by a lot more customers. Moving on, referring domains and backlinks. Those completely drive this DR number. Now, why is this important? Google loves these two numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. With that, the closer both of those get to 30, it creates some stability on Google, meaning people aren't going to be able to bypass you and bump you out of your position once you become, quote, stable in Google's eyes. So getting backlinks, which is anywhere that your website shows up on another website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com, that a link to your website is available on theirs. With that said, not all links are created equal. So as you see, out of the 10 referring domains you currently have, only 3 are do follow. The more do follow you have, the more influence you have, and the more traffic Google sends to your website. So that's going to be a big key too. This UR here is directly related to citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, as well as phone number appears on an online directory. So think Yelp and Yellow Pages. This GMB is what directs that UR number. So getting to the top of this is going to be super important. How do we do that? Again, getting good quality citations in there and getting lots of them. I do have the ability to see how many your current competition has to know how many you would need to beat them, and then beat them by a significant amount, right? So that you stay in that top position. So by doing that, you're going to get noticed by Google. You're going to get more leads just from being visible on that GMB, and this UR number is also going to go up. So again, by getting good quality citations, driving this number up, good quality backlinks with referring domains, going to drive this number up and create some stability on Google. Then we keyword stuff your content on your website with good quality keywords and then get you more traffic to your website. I wanted to just quickly show you, this is the Express Carpet Cleaning. They're ranking #1 currently for Allen, Texas for carpets. And you can see that their numbers are not stable, right? This number may be, but Google only considers it stable when these two are close to a 1-to-1 ratio. So when I do websites, we usually expect this number to triple from what they're typically seeing, getting good quality leads sent to you in your business. So with that said, I hope this was good information. Again, if you don't mind, send me a quick email. Let me know what you thought about everything. And if I have any questions, or if you have any questions I can answer for you, I'd be happy to. But I hope you have a great day, and I will be in touch. Bye-bye.